What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. But today we're gonna be working on the wheel. As y'all can see, AC did not treat me so good. I ended up cracking the barrel, like I said in the previous video. It wasn't fun having to stop every 15 minutes to put air into the tire, but we made it home safe. That's all that mattered. But like I told you, I have an extra barrel that I had bought for when my other wheel was bad. I thought it was extra barrel, but it ended up being the face. So I kept that one. I was gonna originally sell it, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just keep it just in case something happens. And thank God I actually kept it. But let's get started. I gotta basically dismantle this up real quick. And then we're gonna clean it up. And since I'm already gonna have the face and everything off the wheel, I might as well just give it a polish real quick, because they're a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna just do the two front wheels real quick. I already went out to the tire shop, got the tires off. Alright guys, so let's get started. For the hardware bolts in the front, you're gonna need a 5/16, and for the rear on the back of the face, there's gonna be a 12mm. You could do it by hand, but I'm gonna end up using it with the impact just to make it way faster. And then after I take basically all the hardware and stuff like that, the face comes out, I'm gonna be using the blade just to cut the seam around there real quick, and then take off the whole thingy, and then just put the new barrel in. Then after that, I'm just gonna give the face a couple things with. I bought this in Walmart. They say that it's good, the Mother's one. Hopefully it works pretty good. Before I used to use the, I think it's called Blue Magic, something like that. But I don't have no more, and I don't feel like ordering it. So, but let's get started with this. All right, hit you with a quick time lapse. Got a whole bunch of them just scattered all over the place. I'm not gonna be reusing them. I bought brand new ones anyway, but usually they come off quick. But if it doesn't, grab a little mallet, just give it a little quick tap around it. There it goes. Let's the face out real quick. Cut this over real quick. Let me cut the seal. So look, we gotta now that everything's off, I'm gonna give it a good scrape all the way around. Alright, when it comes to the part where you gotta clean up the actual edge of the barrel, make sure you actually take your time and go through, because as you see, like, there's still some of the glue from it before. Make sure you just go through with it with a Scotch Brite or something, a wire wheel, and just clean it up real good and make sure there's like no surface of glue, because if not, once you have the wheel back on, you're gonna have problems with leaks and stuff. So let me just go through it real quick with the wire wheel, clean it up real quick, and then we're gonna start using the little things and see how I can polish these lips up real quick. It's all smooth now on both sides. like I said, I gotta make sure there's no type of residue left on the wheel, because if not, y'all will have problems with leaking. But it's all smooth. I went with the wire wheel, then I went around it with one of these all the way around, make sure everything's smooth. But I start off with these, applying some of the polish, letting it cook up a little bit. Then we're gonna hit it with the wheel. I have the cones to actually heat it up around this. So let's get this cleaned up a little bit. Just giving it a little weight down real quick. So I start applying the actual treatment thingy. Just got all these marks because of the tilt. The water just accumulates on the wheels, and just leave these marks right here. Doing it by hand real quick. I might go get the actual drill piece. I just want to see how it looks like when you whip it with actual weight. Right down a little bit. Little difference. Came out pretty good, even though I did it by hand. So let me just apply some around by the different areas and just use the drill. I don't know if y'all can see it. Came out way better than it was before. So let me continue on the rest of the wheel. Just got finished up doing the lip with the drill. I am not a professional. There's way better people with better techniques out there. I'm just doing it just to make it look better than it did before. So it came out not as best, but it came out pretty good. Way better than it was before. So let's assemble this wheel back up, put the new hardware in, and torque it to spec. Real quick. That's fine for now. I don't care. So for these wheels, since this is a 40 hole, and the valve stem is actually on the outside of the lip, you don't really gotta align it. But some barrels, some wheels, you have the valve that goes in through it, so it has its own individual hole. But for this one, it's just all you gotta do is just line it up with all the other holes and just place the face in. Then falls into place. There it goes. Put all the new hardware on and torque it to spec, and that's it. And then I just gotta seal it back up with the tape on it and seal it back up. So another time lapse. Alright, so as soon as I was about to explain to y'all that basically I'm gonna hand torque with my hand first, and then I'm gonna go with the actual torque wrench. Basically a lot of people I see online, most people do 20 to 22. I'm just gonna do it at 22 foot-pounds just to be on the safe side, and then after that we're gonna go through and add some seal torques. Alright, so all the bolts are in, everything is torqued to spec. Now we about to lay down the tape. Let this layer dry up real good tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna come back and do another layer, and then we're gonna rip the tape off, and hopefully everything's good. Then we're gonna take it to the tire shop and mount the tire back on. It's the end of the video. Hope y'all learned something. Like I said, I'm not a professional. It's just trying to do it at home and making it work, because anybody could just go out and pay for something, but not a lot of people stay home and actually do it themselves. But hope you like today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.